This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
Topic 11. You've finished the Week 1 Thermodynamics content. 10 topics, every formula handbook indexed, every type worked. This video is how to use it, where to spend your last week, faster handbook navigation, the repeating traps, and a time budget that lets you finish. The exam context: PE Mechanical, Thermal, and Fluid Systems, 80 questions over 8 hours, 2 4-hour sessions, 1 50-minute break, computer-based at Pearson VUE. The NCEES Handbook 2.0 is your only reference, a searchable PDF, scratch paper, pencil, and an NCEES-approved calculator allowed. Thermodynamic principles run 11 to 16 questions, about 17%. Applications add more. No penalty for guessing, so answer everything. The priority matrix: effort horizontal, yield vertical. Upper right is due first, topics 03, 06, 08, 09, 10. Open system first law, second law, and isentropic efficiency. And the 3 cycles: Rankine, Brayton, vapor compression. About 65% of thermo points. With 6 hours, spend them here. Upper left, quick wins, topics 02 and 04, closed system first law and steam tables. Lower right, the foundations, 01, 05, 07. Study them early, not in the final week. Handbook navigation, the highest leverage exam skill. The 10-second rule: find the formula in 10 seconds, or skip and flag. Search one-word keywords: isentropic, Darcy, Reynolds, superheated, isobaric, Prandtl. One usually jumps straight to the section. Keep the table of contents as your default tab. Most formulas are 2 clicks away. The handbook is 600 pages. Without these skills, you burn 3 to 5 minutes per lookup and run out of time. 20 bookmark targets for exam day. The delivered handbook is fresh. Your personal bookmarks don't transfer. So your first move in session 1, before solving anything, is to bookmark these 20 sections. Practice until it's under a minute. The groups: closed and steady flow first law, ideal gas, second law and cycles, all 6 steam table sections, and refrigeration with the R134A table and refrigerant properties. Set early. They cover 90% of your thermo searches. Trap Category 1. Sign conventions. Memorize: Q positive in, W positive out. Delta is final minus initial. Heat loss to surroundings is negative. The flip: a compressor consumes work, positive in the device equation, negative in the first law. Write Q minus W equals delta U once, then substitute. For efficiency, heat engine has Q in on the bottom, refrigerator COP has Q cold on top, heat pump COP has Q hot on top. Never reuse one from the wrong direction. A wrong sign or out-of-range answer means you flipped. Trap Category 2. Units: Kelvin or Rankine in any law with absolute T. PV equals MRT. Carnot efficiency, Carnot COP. The isentropic temperature-pressure relation. Delta T alone is unit agnostic. Energy vigilance: kilojoules and BTUs don't add. Kilopascals and PSI don't add. Pick 1 unit system per problem and write it on your scratch first. Kinetic energy per mass is in joules per kilogram. Divide by 1,000 before combining with delta H in kilojoules per kilogram. Trap Category 3. Phase identification and table routing. Phase check before any steam or refrigerant table lookup. Compare given P or T to the saturation partner, dome, compressed, or superheated, and route accordingly. Pressure given, use sat by pressure. Temperature given, sat by temperature. Quality: saturated vapor is X equals 1, use Hg. Saturated liquid is X equals 0, use Hf. Don't overweight either. Double interpolation: both P and T between rows is nested one-dimensional, not a 4-corner average. Trap Category 4. Isentropic efficiency. When eta is less than 1, applying it is mandatory. For a turbine, efficiency is actual over ideal enthalpy drop. For a compressor or pump, the ratio flips, ideal over actual. Same 2-step solve. Compute ideal state 2s, then correct to actual with eta. Skip it and you're off about 15% on work. Trigger words: real, actual, ADA less than 1, non-ideal, or adiabatic, but not reversible. Time budget: 80 questions, 480 minutes, 6 each. First pass at 4.5 minutes. Commit the easy ones. Skip and flag the unclear, trap-prone, or long dig ones. Second pass, return to flagged questions, 10 to 15 minutes each. Last 20 minutes, review answers you're unsure of, but change one only on a specific error or new information. Never leave blanks, no guessing penalty, and eliminating 2 options makes it 50-50. Hard limit: over 8 minutes on any question, flag and move on. Not moving on is how people run out of time. The per question rhythm is 4 beats. Read once, fully. Identify the topic and framework. Every thermo problem fits one of our 10 topics. Redraw the variable table. Solve using the template. Then verify. 20 seconds of sanity checking catches 90% of mistakes. Unit stack. Sign is reasonable. Efficiency below 1. COP above 0. Entropy generation at least 0. Magnitude is plausible. Ranking 30 to 45%. Brayton 30 to 55. Bracket between reference points. Carnot above, real systems below. Any check fails, flag and return. Exam day ritual. Night before. No new material. Review the priority matrix. Skim cheat sheets for topics 03, 06, 08. Sleep 8 hours. Set 2 alarms. Morning, breakfast on protein and complex carbs. No caffeine shock. 15-minute handbook drill. Search 5 random formulas. Practice the 10-second rule. Arrive and check in. The handbook opens fresh, so your first 60 seconds set to 20 bookmarks. Between sessions, protein bar, water, no heavy lunch, walk, reset. Session 2 is a new exam. The Week 1 recap. You own 6 things. 1. The 4-beat structure. Concept, setup, solve, traps. 2. The variable table framework. States as columns, properties as rows. 3. The 20 handbook bookmarks. 4. The 10 keyword patterns. 5. The 5 trap categories. 6. The time budget. If you review one thing the week before, rewatch the trap slides for topics 03, 06, 08, 09, 10. The highest leverage hour there is. Next up, Week 2, Fluid Mechanics. Same 4-beat structure and variable table framework. Different physics. Bernoulli, Darcy-Weisbach, pump curves, compressible flow, drag, impulse momentum, minor losses, fans, flow measurement, and fluid statics. 11 tutorial decks are already live, with a full Week 2 course in development. Future weeks cover heat transfer, HVAC and refrigeration, power systems, and materials. Subscribe to be notified. PEPrepengine.com/beta. Attached, the exam day strategy sheet, a common traps compendium across all 10 topics, and a 24-hour review checklist. The full bundle, all 10 cheat sheets, a 50-problem workbook, and topic quizzes is free during the beta. Thank you for completing Week 1 Thermodynamics. If it helped, subscribe, and good luck on exam day.
The full study guide, with every equation and common exam trap, is free at PEPrepengine.com. Link in the description. Machine design, HVAC, structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.